This is a great way to single out glute activation when you're preparing for like your squats or glute bridges or anything where you want to change like the strength and shape of your body here. So what's going to happen is we're going to do a normal glute bridge, but what's going to happen, you're just going to open, you're going to do a mini clam, you're working against that band on one side, and you're going to feel it kind of in your hip, but kind of on your upper tush. So let's go down. We're going to rise our hips, reach the knees away, and you're going to open the knee 8 times. 7, the other leg is totally straight and not moving. 5, 4, let your hip and butt pull your leg open. 2, and 1, staying up, left side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, together, rolling down. When I do this, I even like to kind of like put my fingers, like tap the muscle I want to work. So I've kind of got that sensory reaction to get it on, say, hey you, I want you to be the one that's working before you do the set.